Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to create a new user account on Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to add a new user, first of all click on this start and over here go to this settings. And you'll find this many options. From here choose this accounts. Then on the left you can see here are different options. Now to add new user, click on this family and other users. Over here you'll find this interface. Now just click on this add someone else to this PC and over here you will find this interface. Now if you have any extra Microsoft account you can just add that. Also if you don't have you can just click on this I don't have. Again, you can see there is create account. You can just create a new account. And also, if you don't want to create Microsoft account, you can just click on this add user without a Microsoft account. Now, I'll go with this. And now, just enter the username. You can see I have given my name as TrendTechGuide. After that, you can just keep the password over here. Now, I'll write some simple password and again re-enter the password. And now you can set some security questions also over here. We can just click on this drop down and select questions. I'll select one. You can see I have given these answers randomly. For you, please enter this carefully so that you can remember for future. After that, click on this next and you can see our local account is created. So now if you restart, you will get this user as TrendTechGuide. So in this way, we can create a new user account on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.